we realized that the entire computing platform is going to change.
Right.
Processors are going to change. The internet connect is going to change. The networking is going to change. The software stack on top of it, how you develop the software, the methodology of software inside companies, and of course, the many industries that we might be able to create was going to completely change. Now, the waves that you were talking about, after we did that, we dedicated ourselves to creating new libraries called cuDNN, creating AI frameworks called Megatron Core, to inventing NVLink and Tensor cores and different numerical formats. And we led to the creation of a system we call DGX-1, our first AI supercomputer. I personally delivered it to a startup in San Francisco, which turned out to have been OpenAI. AI took off. Deep learning kept advancing. The amount of data we had, the amount of compute we had kept growing, kept scaling. And it led to the first wave, which is really described as perception. We solved perception. It became superhuman. Mm-hmm. Computer vision became superhuman. Language understanding or speech recognition became superhuman. The second phase is generative. We can now not only understand information, but we can translate and generate information. Right. So text to text, text to images, images to text, text to video. Yeah. So second phase was generative AI. This third wave is the wave that we're in today, really deeply, solidly into, which is reasoning AI. Mm-hmm. This is where an AI could apply principles and knowledge, maybe some common sense, and use techniques like chain of thought, trees of thought, to break down the problem into multiple steps, reason about how to solve the problem, the larger goal, step by step. It might even do some research, read some documents, read an archive paper before it answers the question. Is a very big part of seeing the acceleration of AI becoming AI. The fact that we're doing reasoning AI is the reason why people are starting to say, we're near general intelligence. Right. The next wave after reasoning AI is physical AI. This is where AI knows how to now interact with the physical world, has physical world common sense like object permanence, friction, inertia, cause and effect, right. And all of these types of common sense that children have, puppies have. Mm-hmm. Now AI is going to have those things, and as a result of that, the collection of all these capabilities, we should be able to see, the next wave, which is probably robotics.